What is going on, guys? Glyn here with a very quick message about our latest launch, which goes live on Monday the 2nd of August at 10 AM EST. This one's auto profit links, and it would be awesome to have all of you guys who are watching this video right now to promote this epic launch. Now, the software in question, Auto Profit Links, is a brand new cloud-based traffic app, which is not just going to get your tribe, your subscribers traffic they need, but also allows them to profit from high ticket, low ticket and mid ticket at exactly the same time. So yes, they get their own sites, they get their own pages with these offers which they're pre-approved to promote, and the traffic is built in as well. So we know that your tribe, your subscribers, your people are gonna absolutely love this one. So like I said, it goes live on Monday, the 2nd of August, 10 AM EST and Warrior Plus. If you need any more information about this launch, please navigate over to the JV page. There should be a button maybe down here or over there, left there, somewhere around this video. You will find a button to go through to the JV page. On that JV page, you'll find out details about the funnel. We have a great funnel in place with OCOs and upsells, which are congruent with the front-end product, which your subscribers will no doubt buy, meaning you will earn more commissions if you were to push them hard. You're also going to find information about the cash prizes on offer. We have multiple cash prizes, a regular main contest, some speed contests, and some other stuff going on as well. Also, you will find the graphics on the JV page as well, which you can use if you were to create your own review pages, your review videos, blog posts, whatever it may be. And guys, remember, the people that do generate the most sales are people that go that one step further, not just write a sort of 5-word email. People that maybe create a bonus page, create a review video, maybe people that have those sort of blog sites going on. Those people are usually the ones that make the most money. So please consider that. And I've put together the JV page with you in mind, with all the information that you need to have a very, very successful promotion of auto profit links. Finally, reciprocation. You can probably see me hovering at the top, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 on most leaderboards on Warrior Plus and other marketplaces. I do have some pretty good traffic most of the time, so if you have got an offer that you want me to promote, please consider promoting this offer on Monday the 2nd, and I'll certainly get back to you if your offer is a fit, and I probably will support. I pretty much hold a no questions asked reciprocation policy. If you ask your friends, other affiliates in the industry, they will probably say that Glyn has promoted them sometime over the past maybe few days, few weeks, or few years, 100%. So guys, if you need access, you need the document, you need email swipes, hit me up at any time. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Skype. If you've got my phone number, Telegram, WhatsApp, all that stuff, I'm here for you at any time you need me to help you have a successful promotion of this product, Auto Profit Links. So guys, if you can promote me and the team, that would be awesome. Monday the 2nd, hopefully I'll be seeing you on the leaderboard. If you need anything else, reach out to me at any time. And remember, I will be there for your next product launch. I'll be supporting you, possibly sending you 50, 100, 150, 200 sales, which really could be a boost when you do come to launch. So guys, 2nd of August, I'll see you on the leaderboard, auto profit links, any questions, anytime, I'm here for you. Thanks a lot, guys, and I will speak to you real soon.